Yeah, so hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Favorn and today I'm back with another makeup tutorial. So if you're new here, kindly don't forget to subscribe. That's in case you would like to see more makeup tutorials every week. I do upload them here. So today, beauties, before applying any makeup, make sure that you first clean your face. Remove all that Vaseline. As you can see, my face was too oily, so remove that dirt. Do this using a face wipe. First clean. Move that. Now that I'm done with cleaning my face, I guess you can see the difference. No more Vaseline. I've removed all the dirt, all the eyeshadow particles down. Now I'm going to go on and prime my face using the Hariti makeup primer. And the use of the primer is to give your makeup a longer lifespan. So never skip primer, and you should invest in a good primer. It depends on your skin. It can be matte, it can be, you get. If you're oily, I would recommend you to go for a matte primer. The foundation, I'm going to go on with one from the BB Plus in the shade number 3. That's my shade. I'm going to go on and apply my foundation. Don't use too much amount. Just use something small. You can either use a beauty blender when it is done, or you can use, if you don't have access to the water by then, you can first spray your face using a setting spray. That will work the same way as the other thing works too. So I'm going to first use my setting spray to set my, and the setting spray I'm going to use, it's one from the LA Girl. You can get it too. Now that I'm done, I'm going to go on with my beauty blender and blend. It will be easy in blending. On and blend. Make sure that you don't forget your neck, your ears, and your eyes. Make sure that you don't bring fresh product. Yeah. So now I'm back with my foundation brush to finish the work. Right? Now that I'm done with applying foundation, I hope you see how my skin looks like. I'm going to go on and highlight. That's under my eyes, on the bridge of the nose, on the mustache area, on the chin, and on the forehead. And make sure when you're doing this, you use a concealer at least 2 shades lighter than your skin. At least 2 shades lighter than your skin. Now still, I'm going to go on with my beauty blender and blend everything very well. Now, this here is a tip. After blending the concealer, you see this harsh line there. Those harsh lines, I don't know if you notice it when you do your makeup. There are some harsh lines. So in order to minimize this or to remove them, you can go on with your foundation brush and blend the concealer with the foundation like this. Blend the concealer with the foundation. Blend the concealer with the foundation. I guess by now you can no longer see any harsh line apart from the nose. And with the nose too, they are lost there. So now that I'm done with highlighting, I'm going to go on and setting still. I'm going to go on with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm going to go on with the powder brush. This is how it looks like. If you'd like to see, in case you'd like to see brushes with their uses, I have a tutorial about that too on my channel, so you can check it out. So when you're going to set, make sure that you get some amount of powder from, and then remove the excess. Remove the excess. So removing the excess, I'm going to go on and apply the powder, the setting powder, on the areas where I have highlighted. That's under the eyes, as I explained it earlier. I'm going to go on and apply on the areas I have highlighted. So now that I'm done, I'm going to go on and bake. Baking is not a must. You can leave it, you can just stop here, but for me, I'm going to go on and bake. To go on with a sponge like this, though you can use your beauty blender. I'm going to go on and bake. Contouring, I'm going to go on with my powder from the MAC. Use a powder at least 2 shades darker than your skin shade. That's with contouring. I'm going to use an angled brush to do this job. To contour under your cheeks, upper forehead, the nose, here. So up, down, those are the motions you should use. I'm going to go on with the same powder shade to contour my nose. At times you shouldn't use a shade which is too dark with contouring your nose, because it will be difficult later when you're blending. So I'm going to go on and remove this excess setting powder. I'm going to go on and apply a finishing powder. I'm going to use one from the black opal. No, that remove all those lines you're seeing, and to blend everything very well. Go on with some mascara and apply it on my lower lash line. So now that everything is done, I'm going to go on and give some moment to my cheeks. I'm going to apply some brush. Choose one from the Vivid brush. I'm going to go on with this shade here and apply it on the upper part of the area where I've contoured. Now today I'm going to go on with the 24K Gold setting spray from the Kiss Beauty, and I'm going to set my makeup. Now that I'm done, I'm going to go on and apply some highlighter. I'm going to go on with one from the Favorn Vivid, and I'm going to apply it on cheeks. Just something small on the cheeks here. I'm not going to do something too much. On the forehead, on the tip. Now I'm going to go on and apply my lipstick. With the lipsticks, I'm going to go on with 2 shades. That's the black and red, and I'm going to use the black to line my lips. I'm going to use a lip brush to line my lips. Done with lining, I'm going to go on and blend. Okay, yes beauties, this is the final look. Let me know if you have liked it. Drop your comments in the comment section. Let me know what you think about it, and if you've liked it, kindly give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, share, and